For our top story this hour, NASA presidential aspirant Raila Odinga is asking supporters of the coalition to turn up in large numbers and ensure they vote if they expect him to win the presidential elections. Speaking in Kisumu today, Raila says NASA has the potential of getting 10 million votes if only they come out and vote in large numbers. He asked voters to go and verify their details in the ongoing verification exercise. Our reporter Rashid Ronald had been following up on that and now joins us live from Kisumu. Rashid, what more did Raila Odinga have to say?
Yeah, thank you very much. And of course, that notwithstanding is that Raila reiterated what he said yesterday in Rarieda during the burial of the mother to the immediate former ombudsman Otiende Amolo, who is gunning for the Rarieda parliamentary seat, where he said that ODM will not support independent candidates here whatsoever. He said today again in church at the SEK St. Peter's, St. Stephen's SEK Church here in Kisumu, saying the position remains the same. ODM will support only their candidates, or rather those NASA affiliate parties. But anybody calling himself an independent is just like Jubilee and is competing against ODM candidates in the coming election. And of course, the issue has drawn a lot of reaction since yesterday. Remember, Nyanza region, where ODM experience or has a lot of support base, or rather Raila has a larger support base. There are so many independent candidates here. Well, let's say, for example, in the gubernatorial race in Siaya, we have engineer Nicholas Gumbo, who lost in the ODM primaries against the governor, Cornelius Rasanga. He's now going independent. And also here in Kisumu County, we have Governor Jack Ranguma, who lost again in the just ended primaries to Senator Anyang' Nyong'o, is going as an independent candidate. And also in Migori, we have Ochilo Ayako, who lost against Governor Okoth, but is also going independent. Of course, Raila saying there's no room. They should not actually expect him to come and campaign for them. And in fact, they are going to vigorously campaign for their ODM candidates throughout to ensure that they have a majority in the House in case they win the August election. Back to you.
Let's focus on the fact that Raila Odinga and the NASA coalition, of course, expecting to get 10 million votes. It is also no doubt that independent candidates have brought quite a shift in this year's general election. And like you just mentioned, very popular independent candidates, the likes of Jack Ranguma, Ochilo Ayako. What is the feeling from the residents of Kisumu in the fact that ODM will not be supporting independent candidates?
And of course, you know, there's a lot of mixed reactions here in Kisumu. There are others who are saying, oh no, if we lost, our candidates lost unfairly. Why deny us a chance to vote for them as independent candidates? And there are others who are saying we must vote what we call 6-piece, ODM from top to down. And of course, there's a lot of mixed reaction here in Kisumu, but then we'll wait and see. Remember, as time goes, politics is a game of numbers. As time goes, we expect something drastic to happen in terms of political scenario, as far as the political scenario is concerned here in Kisumu. Remember, Raila's word has always been like law here in Kisumu, I'll say so. So you don't underrate that statement.
All right.